Hello, my name is Teacher Jake and welcome to our speaking test. What's your name? Alex, how old are you? Okay, now Alex, look at these pictures. They look the same, but some things are different. Here there is one fish, but here there are two fish. What other different things, Alex, can you see? And then? What else? Then? What else? How about the tables? The shapes of the tables. It's circle and square. Alright, next. We're going to talk about the story, The Windy Day. So Alex, Jack, and Charlie are going out with mom and they're going to the cinema. And mom is buying them tickets. Okay, so mom is saying, do not lose your tickets. So now you tell the story here. What are the boys doing? Are they washing? Are they running? Okay, and then here? What is mom doing? Mom is buying, what's this? What's this? Ice cream. Here? What are the boys feeling, Alex? Are they happy or sad? They are... Next, let's continue with this one. Which one is different, Alex? And you tell me why. The book is different because we read it. Here, here, and here, they're all fruits, so we eat them. Which one is different here, Alex? And you tell me why. And here? How about the hair? Curly hair. You say curly hair. Okay. And here, where are the people going? Where are the people going? They are going down, but the girl is going. Now this time, Alex, let's talk about you and your family. How many people are there in your family? There are 4 people in your family. Okay, and then Alex, where do you live? Okay, and what do your parents do? And my mom, your mom is a teacher too. Your mom, doctor. Okay, now this time, Alex, you tell me, what do you do at the weekends? What do you do at the weekends? Do you go to the park? Do you go fishing? Fishing. Okay, that's the end of our speaking test. Say goodbye to the video.